How to add friends and play with them in mini football. So this is the latest version. So if this video does ended up helping you, make sure you like and subscribe. This is super simple and easy. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go all the way to your left and click on the first sign right here where it says leaderboard. Then once you click on leaderboard, it should take you to this page right here. You have one, two, three, fourth. You're gonna have to click on the fourth option right here. Then once you click on the fourth option, what you have to do is you're gonna have to connect to your Facebook. So you must have your friends added on your Facebook, and that's the only way you could play with them. So click on connect to Facebook. Once you click on connect to Facebook, just click on login right here. Now it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll up. You could either create an account or you could log in. So for now, I'm gonna just skip this. But if you do log in and you could connect your Facebook account, you could play with your friends. But make sure you do have them added on Facebook. If you don't, this is not gonna work. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on the done option. And that's the only way you could add friends and play with them in mini football is through Facebook. So if this video did help you, make sure you like and subscribe. This is super simple and this is the latest version. If you need any help, make sure you let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.